Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin our fan revision process for the Asus F509DA, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and compressed air for cleaning. These tools are essential for safely accessing the internal components of your laptop. Start by shutting down your laptop completely and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop upside down on a clean surface to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious during this step to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. After opening the panel, you will see the internal components, including the fan. Take a moment to assess the fan's condition and check for any dust buildup. Using the compressed air, carefully blow out any dust from the fan and surrounding areas. This cleaning step is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and preventing overheating. If you notice that the fan is still not operating efficiently, it may be time to consider replacing it. To remove the fan, locate the screws that secure it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew these screws. Gently disconnect the fan's power connector from the motherboard. If you are unsure about handling these connections, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the right solution for your laptop's issues. After removing the old fan, take the new replacement fan and connect it to the motherboard. Make sure the connection is secure. Then, position the fan back into its designated place and screw it down using the screws you removed earlier. This step is crucial for ensuring the fan is stable and functions correctly. Once the new fan is securely in place, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the laptop and align it properly. Press down gently to ensure all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, securing the back panel. Before turning on your laptop, double-check that all screws are tight and that there are no tools left inside the device. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about performing this task, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport or making phone calls. Now, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Monitor the fan's operation to ensure it is running smoothly and quietly. If everything seems normal, congratulations! You've successfully revised the fan in your Asus F509DA. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out for a quote before repair, ensuring you have a clear understanding of any potential costs involved. This tutorial not only helps you maintain your laptop but also empowers you with the knowledge to handle future repairs with confidence. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.